This one-pan cheesy chicken and rice delivers all the creamy, savory comfort of a baked casserole without the lengthy bake time. Chicken cooks until golden, then rice simmers in the same pan, absorbing all the flavor. Stirring in cheese at the end creates a rich, gooey sauce that coats every grain. It's high in protein to support muscle and carbs to fuel your day. The single pan means minimal cleanup. For this cheesy, comforting dinner, click the Shop with Instacart button in the article for fresh chicken and cheese delivered.